series here, we're going to see how we graph straight linear equations. Okay, so how do we do that? So graphing linear equations. All right, so we're going to see the different kinds of linear equations that we have, and then the ones that we also going to graph in this case here. The first one is x equals to -3. The second one is y equals to +4. The third one is y equals to -2x plus 3. The fourth one is y equals to +3x. So we have these examples of 4 different kinds of equations of straight lines. So now we're going to see how we draw them, okay? So the first thing that we're going to do is to take the first 2 ones here. So we're going to take the first 2 here, and then we're going to do the other 2 in another video, okay? So let's take then so this is going to be our graphing sheet. So we're going to make our graphing sheet over here. So we have 0, which is the origin. So this is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. And then the horizontal line, which is the x-axis, on the right side of 0, all the numbers here will be positive numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, for example. Okay? You can continue if you wish to. And on the left side, we're going to have -1, -2, -3, -4. But what do we see here? We see that all these numbers, you know, the distances are equal distances. So 0 to 1, same distance as 1 to 2, same distance as 2 to 3, same distance as 3 to 4. So same thing you do on the left side. So now let's go on the vertical line, which is the y-axis. So you have +1, +2, +3, +4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Okay. So now from 0 down, we have -1, -2, -3, -4. So this is how it looks like, you know, the graphing sheet. All right. So this is something that you can Google it, and then you're going to get so many different graphing sheets. But this is the ones that we have over here as well. So now, as we said, we're going to take the first 2 equations and then graph them up. So x equals to 3. X equals to 3, so you have to go on the x-axis. Okay, you go on the x-axis and you look for -3. So where is -3 on the x-axis? It's right here. So once you have -3 on the x-axis, now you have to draw your line through -3. So this is x equals to -3. This is what you're looking for. All right? So this is what you're looking for. So x equals to -3 is a vertical line through -3 as a point. Okay? And then for the second one, yeah, y equals to 4. So y equals to 4 is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Because you have to look for 4 on the y-axis, because a lot of people make these mistakes, and then they'll be looking for, you know, the 4 somewhere, you know, on the x-axis. So you have to be very careful. So you look for it there, and then you say this is 4, and then it's going to be a horizontal line through +4. And this is what you have to do for y equals to 4.